In this video, we'll talk about a scalping strategy you can use on the 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15-minute time frames. This strategy is very profitable and easy to use, even if you're a beginner trader. It is very flexible, allowing you to trade all kinds of assets. It only uses 2 free TradingView indicators. So stay with us until the end of the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Getting started to use this scalping strategy, open TradingView. Next, go to the Indicator Search tab. Type in Mavim Oromar and select it from Kevin's Bilgic. Adjust the Mavim Oromar indicator as follows. In the Input tab, set the first moving average length to 8 and the second moving average length to 21. Change the indicator colors to your preference, or use the settings we suggest. This Mavim Oromar indicator will help you identify trends. If all 3 lines are green, it signals a bullish trend. Look for buy opportunities. If all 3 lines are red, it signals a bearish trend. Look for sell opportunities. If one of the lines is a different color, it indicates an unclear trend. Avoid trading in this situation. Add the second indicator. In the Search tab, type Mix 1M across trend channel and select it. Leave the input settings at default. In the Style tab, remove some signs as demonstrated. This Mix 1M across trend channel indicator will guide you on when to place orders. Place a buy order when a buy signal appears. Place a sell order when a sell signal appears. How to place a buy order. If the Mavim Oromar indicator is green, bullish trend, wait for the price candlestick to retest the Mavim Oromar area. Wait for a buy signal from the Mix 1M across trend channel indicator. Ensure the candlestick is bullish as a final confirmation. Place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Set a stop loss slightly below the last swing low. Use a take profit target with a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. How to place a sell order. If the Mavim Oromar indicator is red, bearish trend, wait for the price candlestick to retest the Mavim Oromar area. Wait for a sell signal from the Mix 1M across trend channel indicator. Ensure the candlestick is bearish as a final confirmation. Place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Set a stop loss slightly above the last swing high. Use a take profit target with a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.